This thing is whisper quiet. I mean, I'm constantly on conference calls. Never can I hear this running in the background. So this is the 3-liter Levoit humidifier. Very simple design, almost looks like something from Apple or something. Here you have the minimum and maximum. What I love about this, look how easy this is to fill. You literally lift that off, take off the lid, fill this to the fill line, and then this has a little line here and an arrow here, so that's how you know. Just line them up, put it right back. There you go. So this is 3 liters or 80 ounces. Here's the max fill line. 25 hours out of each tank. We run this every single day, pretty much all day, so I have to refill it like 3 times a week. 1,500 square foot home, and this keeps the humidity in our house good in pretty much every corner, and I know that because we have these little Thermpro hygrometers. This is what the humidity level is in the house. Great, I did a separate review on this. You can rotate this dial all the way around 360 degrees so you can have it pushing in any direction of the room that you like. You can also use this as a diffuser. I don't, because 2 of the people that live here have asthma, and so we just don't. But if you're gonna do that, you just put the essential oil drops, like 10 or 15 of them, directly in here in the base. Don't put it in here. Clean this once a week just because I fear like mold and water and all of that. And I literally just scrub it off, and then about once a month what I'll do is I will fill this about half with water, half with vinegar, and I will take it outside and run it. So the whole thing is running vinegar through it to kind of descale it and just clean it out. There is a filter down here, and you do want to replace this. You just twist it and pick up, and you see a little filter. You just pull it out just like that, and you just put a new one in. And I would replace this like at least once a month. It does come with a filter. I think it comes with 2 filters actually. Thing is, now I don't have water in it, so I can't run it, and obviously I couldn't fill it with water if I was going to show it to you guys because I wouldn't be able to tip it. Cleaning it is very easy because, as you can see, all the components just easily disassemble and reassemble. This thing is whisper quiet. I mean, I'm constantly on conference calls. Never can I hear this running in the background. So that's a personal favorite for me. I do love that it has an auto off feature. So when the tank gets too low and maybe I'm not looking at it, it will just shut itself off until I refill it. Very smart. 3 pounds in weight, 7 inches tall, and it's 7 inches wide. And I definitely will say that this is great, except, I mean, for me, this is the unit that we purchased because it has everything we want and nothing I don't care about. I know some of them have like, it'll tell you what the humidity level is. Okay, well maybe right next to it, but I don't want to know that. I want to know what's the humidity level on the side of the house several hundred feet away. So that's why I prefer to use the Thermpro hygrometers, because you can just put them in whatever room. You can set them on the table, you can mount them, they have a magnet. I mean, these things are fantastic, but it tells me what is the humidity level, so that way I know, okay, do I need to turn this thing up or turn it down? And without this, it would be very difficult to make that assessment. I mean, this is a match made in heaven. I would absolutely recommend getting this if you're going to purchase this. In fact, we have like 4 of them. If you guys found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.